In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stake ETH 2.0 on Binance from as little as 10 cents. Staking Ethereum 2.0 is a great way to participate in the Ethereum network while earning potential rewards. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or dipping your toes into the world of digital currency, this guide will help you get started step by step, all in under 5 minutes. First, ensure you have a Binance account. If you haven't done so already, head to the Binance website or mobile app and log into your account. It's crucial that you complete the KYC, or Know Your Customer process, to fully unlock the features Binance has to offer. This verification only takes a few moments and ensures a secure experience. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Earn section of Binance. You might see it labeled in a couple of different ways, such as ETH 2.0 staking, or just stake ETH. This is where all the magic happens. Staking allows you to earn rewards by locking up your Ether, and it's a vital part of contributing to the Ethereum network's security and functionality. After entering the staking section, you'll need to specify the amount of ETH you'd like to stake. Binance sets the minimum at approximately 0.001 ETH, which is around 10 cents, making it accessible to virtually anyone interested in staking. Enter the amount you wish to commit and take a moment to double check this figure. Next, you will encounter a set of terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through these so you understand what's involved. Once you're comfortable with the terms, you'll need to agree to them and hit the confirm button. This step ensures that you acknowledge any risks and the rules of staking on Binance. Upon confirming your stake, you'll see BETH or WBETH appear in your spot wallet. BETH stands for Binance Ethereum, representing the staked Ether and any rewards accrued. As you continue to participate in the staking process, this balance will grow over time with the rewards earned. Rewards from staking are added on a daily basis, which is a great incentive for staying invested. Keep in mind that Binance charges a 10% fee on all rewards, a typical practice in the industry, allowing Binance to maintain and develop their staking infrastructure. So there you have it. Staking ETH 2.0 on Binance is both straightforward and rewarding. By following these steps, you're not only investing in cryptocurrency, but also becoming an active participant in the Ethereum ecosystem. Whether you're staking a few cents or a larger amount, every contribution counts towards strengthening the blockchain network. Thank you for joining me today, and happy staking.